Hi, so I've made a Christmas list for my family, my immediate family. I am going to hand make these Christmas gifts. So right here I have my list and I have already picked out the yarn that I'm going to use for the projects. And I have my bag so I can separate everything because we are in August, but by the time Christmas comes, I want to be able to be done. I don't want to rush making these Christmas gifts. I want to be able to take my time throughout these next few months to just knock these Christmas gifts out the way. LSB, listen it with me. You can make projects for your whole family. It's the LSB, knit with me. You can make projects for your whole family. I want to say a big thank you to Bellish for sponsoring this video. Though they sponsored this video, I want you guys to know that everything that I do and say in this video, it is my own opinions. Everything that is done is just my own experience of dealing with the app Bellish. It is a app, pattern generating app. You can get it on iOS. I don't think it's available on Android yet, but it's free. You can download it and start making your own patterns. So here I'm separating all the yarns that I chose for the projects that I have. So in total I have 8 projects, which is going to be great because I can design 8 different projects in the app. And Bella. So Bella, this is Bella. Bella wanted socks. So we'll put her yarn in this bag. That way we can stay organized. This is Benjamin. Benjamin wanted a sweater. This is his yarn. Alright, so Benny has bulky yarn. So that shouldn't really take long either. Sir James wanted socks, and he chose this yarn. Sir James, Lisa, because I'm making myself a Christmas gift. I love this yarn, and this pom-pom is so cute. So that will be mine. Got Aria. No, I don't even know all her yarn could fit in this bag. I might not need all of them for her, but she wanted a sweater and she loves this color. When I saw this yarn, I bought this in Hobby Lobby. I was so excited because this is the teal part of this, like the light blues. She loves those colors. All right, let me try to get this in here. 1, 2, 3 is in there. I think 4 would do. We'll just use 4. If anything, and I need more, I can just, I don't think I need more of them, but you never know. Alright, this is for my son, Lil Jacob. He just wanted something simple, a black beanie. And this is for my, oh, Anaya. Let's see what Anaya is. Anaya loves yellow. And when we were in the yarn shop, she picked this yarn out. So she wanted socks, so I'm going to kind of do more color changing socks for her. And now this, I'm going to make a beanie for my husband using this yarn. I love the color changes. You can also use this yarn to make socks, but I'm using it to make him a beanie. And I have 2 pom-poms. I'll make it to where he can always switch the pom-poms out, switch the colors out. Alright, and there we have it, guys. We have all 8 projects that I'm going to be doing, which is why I'm starting early, August. Take my time and knit and enjoy this time making handmade gifts for my family for Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to get started on the first Christmas gift. I'll be doing the one for my husband, and this is a beanie. So right here in the app, it's telling me to cast on using a 3.75 millimeter circular needle, 16-inch in length. So cast on 112 stitches, and then I'm going to be working a 2x2 rib for 2 inches. So I'm going to start my cast on. Okay, so I've completed the first part of the beanie, which it asks me to knit 2x2 ribbon with a size 3.75 millimeter needle, and I have about 2 inches here. And now it's time for me, as you can see, I can scroll to my next section, which is the body. I need to transition to a larger needle, 4.5 millimeter. And from this point out, all I'm going to do is just knit. That's so simple. I have to knit all the way up to 6.75 inches. So just take my other needle, and instead of using this part, I just use my new needle to just knit every stitch. I wanted to, every time I'm knitting, I always have an idea in my head to change things up a bit, but I decided to just keep this one exactly how it is in the app because I have more projects to do, so I don't want to overwhelm myself by trying to be super fancy. And this is just going to be beautiful on its own anyway, because the color changes, and I'm already excited because I am going to be done with one Christmas gift all the way in August. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it is. Answer my own question. I know you guys would think so too. All right. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I do love how the app just keeps track of where I'm at. So even if I came out of it and I started another project anywhere else, just a whole different project, I can always come back to the other project that I was on by just clicking on it, and it should have the highlighter part right where I left off. So it's just great working multiple projects in here. I don't have to do any thinking like, oh my gosh, did I do that row already? Did I do this, or where did I leave off at? Nope, it's already done for you in the app. Takes the stress away from figuring out all the things that you have to figure out when you have to knit a project. I'm doing some stress-free knitting Christmas gifts. Almost done with this row. And after this transition, knitting should be much faster because all I'm doing is knitting all the way around. Okay, so I've now measured 6 inches and 6.75 inches, and it's time for our decrease. So it says, when working the decrease, transition to double pointed needles when stitches are no longer comfortable on the circular needles. So this looked pretty straightforward also. Okay guys, so I've completed the hat, the beanie, and I love how it turned out. The colors are just so gorgeous. This is all the yarn that I have left of my 2 balls that I held together, which it worked out perfectly, and I have the 2 pom-poms. One thing I like about these pom-poms, you can just push these through. Push it through here on each side and just tie it on the inside. So you can take it out whenever you want to and use this one. Then I am done with my project on Bellish. So right here I am going to hit complete pattern, and it gives you a little congratulations. We'll drop this pattern into your finished objects for safekeeping. So if I ever want to make it again, I can go back on there and start all over. So that's awesome. And I'm just excited because now I have 7 more Christmas gifts to go, included one for myself. I don't know which one I'll start on next, but I'm just excited that I can have all my projects in here. I don't have to wrestle through papers, countless patterns online, trying to figure out where they are. Everything is totally accessible on this app. So remember, this is the Bellish app. You can get it on the iOS for free. And I just want to say again, thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Everything that I did on this video is my own opinion. I love the app. You guys grab the app. It is free. And start creating. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make this beanie, or snippets of me making it. You can make it for free yourself on Bellish. Thank you.